Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I am Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I felt like doing something that was inspired by the summers, so I came up with this look right here. It has a very subtle color scheme of peaches and yellows. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm starting out with some skincare by cleansing my face with the micellar water. I'm using its oil variant. If you have an oily skin type, please feel free to use the oil free variant. Post cleansing, I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 hours to moisturize my skin. And to hydrate my under eye area, I'm using the Indulgeo's Rejuvenating Eye Serum. And for my lips, I'm using the Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline. Post these steps, I like to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that my skin can absorb all the goodness of the skincare I just did. Post that, I'm spraying my face with the PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. To prime my face, I'm using the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer all over my face. And to fill in the pores, I'm using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer in the areas where I have enlarged pores like my forehead area, my nosy and my under eye area. To neutralize the pigmentation around my mouth and around my cheekbones area, I'm using the Miss Claire color corrector in the shade orange. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 228. This is an exact match to my skin tone. To blend it, I'm using my Damn Beauty Blender. Because the summers are here and my skin doesn't feel supremely dry, I've decided to go with a matte foundation. However, if your skin feels dry, you can go for its dewy variant. To brighten the areas like my forehead, chin, under eye area and nosy, I like to use a matte foundation in summers. This one's matte poreless foundation in the shade 125 by Maybelline. This one is 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I avoid using concealers in summer as they feel heavy on my skin, especially during the summertime, and I like my base makeup to be a little more breathable. To blend the foundation, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To give my face a little dimension and structure, I'm contouring my cheekbones, forehead, jawline, and the sides of my nose with the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade medium. This one is not very pigmented, so it's very easy to work with, and I highly recommend this if you are a beginner. To blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. For blush, I'm using this very pretty pink shade, and for some reason it is named as Peachy Sweetie, even though it's pink in color. And this one is by Maybelline. I'm applying this to my cheeks using my powder brush. For highlighter, I wanted something very subtle, so I went with the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. To set the areas where I crease the most, I'm using the new Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one's by PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prep. And for my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using this brown eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. And to spread the color across, I'm using a spoolie. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. And to set the concealer in place, I'm using the new Master Fix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. For my eyes, I'm first starting out by carving out my crease area using this very pretty peach shade from the Nika K eyeshadow palette in the style Watermelon Splash with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For my lid, I'm using this yellow shade from the Nika K eyeshadow palette in the style Autumn Spice with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, I'm smoking out the same peach shade from the Nika K eyeshadow palette in the style Watermelon Splash with my PAC brush in the style 126. And to brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using the shade Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette by APH Cosmetics with my flat shot shader brush. And to line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm using this nude peach shade Tease by Faces Canada. And for falsies, I'm using the Ardell Baby Demi Lashes. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with my peach suit, pink dupatta, some traditional earrings and a bindi. I love how refreshing and subtle this look turned out. Perfect for a get together with friends or just a run down to a store. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something from it, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.